In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed a YouTube video on your Framer website. The first thing we need to get started is the URL of the YouTube video that you want to integrate into your site. This URL can be easily located, as it's found right in your browser's address bar when you're watching the video that you want to use. Just click on this bar, copy the web address, and we're good to get going. Let us now switch over to your Framer interface. First thing to do here is to open up your project. Once it loads, you'll notice a little plus sign or insert button displayed right at the top left corner of your screen. Let's click on it. Once clicked, it's going to open up the insert panel. In this panel, you need to look for the media section. Why, you may ask? That's because YouTube, being a platform that hosts media content, is located under this affectionately named media section. Go ahead and select the YouTube option. Now that we have the YouTube component at our disposal, we're going to place it on our site. You can do that quite simply by dragging and dropping it onto the canvas at the location where you envision the video to be. Our next important step involves pasting that YouTube video URL we initially copied. In the Properties panel on your right-hand side, you should be able to locate a field labeled Source. In this, let's paste the copied URL. Once you've pasted it, Framer works its magic and, voila, automatically generates a preview of your video. But wait, there's more we can do. Owing to the versatility provided by Framer, you have the opportunity to customize the video settings directly from this Properties panel itself. You can adjust properties such as autoplay, where the video starts playing automatically, or loop, where the video repeats after it has completed its duration. Not just that, you can also adjust the thumbnail quality according to what suits your website better. Having completed these steps, you're very close to the final product. As a final step, preview your website to see if everything is perfectly aligned. If you're satisfied with the result, go ahead and publish your website. And there you have it, your own website with an embedded video live. By following these straightforward steps, you've just learned how to embed a YouTube video on your Framer website. So keep honing your skills and create a fantastic user experience with the powerful integration of media into your design projects.